Jai Gurudev to everyone. This is Minakshi, and today I'm taking maths of class 7th, lesson number 4, decimals, exercise number 4.3, part 5. In earlier part, that is in part 4, we have discussed how to do the multiplication with decimal number. In this part, we are going to see how to do the division with decimal numbers. If you haven't watched my earlier part, that is part 4, then it is available in the playlist of my YouTube channel. So let's start with this new topic. So here, division of decimal number by 10, 100 and 1000. So here we have to do the division of a decimal number by 10, 100 and 1000. So when we are dividing a number by 10, 100 or 1000, the decimal point in the question shift to the left by as many places as there were zeros after 1. So here we will take the example. So example first, it is given 735.7 divided by 10. So here we have to divide this decimal number by 10, and here in the 10 the number of zeros are present 1. So if only one zero is present, then we will shift this decimal number at the left side before one place, means before one digit. So it will become 73.57. Then next example, 735.7 divided by 100. So in the 100 number of zeros are present 2. So here we will shift this decimal before 2 digit at the left side. So here we will shift the decimal before 2 digit, then it will become 7.357. Then next example is 735.7 divided by 1000. So in 1000 number of zeros are given 3. So here we will shift this decimal at the left side before 3 digit, and before 3 digit any digit is not given, so there we will take 0. So it will become 0.7357. This is how we have to do the division of a decimal number by 10, 100 and 1000. So now we will start the exercise 4.3, question number 1, that is divide. So in question given, divide 0.44 by 20. So here 0.44 divided by 20. So here simply we have to do the division. So you know how to do the division, we have did it earlier also. So just write it 0.44 divided by 20. So here first digit it is given 0, so here it is given 20. So 20 multiplied by 0 is equals to 0. So here 20 into 0 is equals to 0, and here we will do the subtraction. So 0 minus 0 will be 0. Next we will bring this 4 add down, so that is 0, 4. Then 0 is 4 we got here, and 4 is of one digit only. So here 20 multiplied by 0 will be 0 again. So that is 20 multiplied by 0 will be 0. Then 4 minus 0 will be 4. So here we are left with 4. Now we will bring the next digit downside, and the next digit is given as 4. So here we will bring 4 down. So what is left? 44. And here 44 is greater than 20. And now we can multiply 20 with 2 to get 40. So that is 20 into 2 will be 40. So here we will write 20 into 2 is 40. Then do the subtraction. So we are left with 4. So here we are left with 4 only. So here we will write 0, and here we will give decimal. Here we will put point, and here we will write zeros. And what is left here? 40. Then 40 if left, then 20 into 2 will be 40. So 20 into 2 will be 40. Then do the subtraction. So that is 0. We got here remainder is 0. So our answer is 002.0, as we have given decimal here. But when we have taken here decimal, because we have placed here 0, but in the question it is given decimal before 2 digit. So here this 0 we will shift here before 2 digits. So our answer will be 0.022. Therefore 0.44 divided by 20 is equals to 0.022. This is how we have to perform the division. Then question number B. 0.55 divided by 5. Now the solution here also we will do the simply division. So that is 5 is divided by 0.55. So here we will write 0 into 5 will be 0. So that is 5 into 0 will be 0. So then do the subtraction, it will become 0. So next we will bring the 5 at down. So we will bring this 5 at down. So then 5 into 1 will be 5. So 5 into 1 will be 5, and then do the subtraction here. So we are left with 0. So that is 5 into 1 will be 5. Then the subtraction, 5 minus 5 will be 0. Then next bring the next 5 as downside because the next digit is given 5. Then bring that 5 down. Then again 5 into 1 will be 5. Then do the subtraction here. 5 minus 5 will be 0. So we got here remainder as 0, and here decimal is given before 2 digits. So here also we will put the decimal before 2 digit in the answer. Therefore 0.55 divided by 5 is equals to 0.11. This is how we have to perform the division. Then the question number 3, find. Question is given 67 divided by 0.2. Now in earlier question we did the division of decimal number with non-decimal number, but here we have to perform the division of non-decimal number with the decimal number. So here the solution is, now notice here carefully, here 67 divided by 0.2 is given, but we don't want the decimal number, and this decimal number we have to convert in the non-decimal number. So we know that when we multiply 0.2 with 10, that time we have to shift the decimal to the right side, and if any digit is not given at the right side then we will write it as the 0. So if we are multiplying the the denominator of a decimal number by 10, then we have to multiply the numerator also with 10. So 67 into 10 it will be 670, and 0.2 into 10 will be 2.0, because we have shifted the decimal number at the right side after one digit, as number of zeros in the 10 present 1. So it will become 2.0, and 2.0 is nothing but 2. So here we got 670 divided by 2. So now we will perform the division simply. So that is 2 divided by 670. Then here 2 into 3 it will be 6, because the first digit is given 6. So 2 into 3 will be 6. Then we will subtract 6 with 6. Then 6 minus 6 will be 0. If we got 6 minus 6 as 0, then the next digit is given 7. So we will bring this 7 down, and then again 2 into 3 will be 6. Then 7 minus 6 will be 1. Now what is left after 7? One digit is left, that is 0. So we will bring that 0 at down. So it will become 10. Then 2 into 5 will be 10. Then 10 minus 10 will be 0. So we got here remainder as 0. Then our answer is 335. Therefore 67 divided by 0.2 is equals to 335. So this is how we have to perform the division of non-decimal number with the decimal number. Then the one more example we will see, that is 0.4785 divided by 0.087. So here both the decimal numbers are given, and here first we will convert that both decimal number into non-decimal number, and then we will perform the division. So that is, here first always see the denominator. So in the denominator it is given 0.087. So here after decimal, 3 digits are given and we don't want the decimal here, so we will multiply it with 1000 so that we can shift this decimal at the right side after 3 digit, because in 1000 number of zeros are present 3. So here we will multiply the denominator with 1000, and if we are multiplying the denominator with 1000, then we have to multiply the numerator also with 1000. So 0.4785 multiplied with 1000. So if 3 zeros are given, so we will shift this decimal at the right side after 3 digits, so it will become 478.5. Then here also 0.087 multiplied by 1000, and here we have to shift this decimal at the right side after 3 digit, as the number of zeros are present here 3. So here we will write 87.0, and 87.0 is nothing but 87. Now we will perform the division. So that is 87 divided by 478.5. Then here the first it is given 475, and 87 into 5 will be 435. So here 87 into 5, that is equals to 435. Then 475 minus 435 is equals to 435. So here 435 given. Okay, but here see, 8 minus 5 will be 3, and 7 minus 3 will be 4, and 4 minus 4 will be 0. So here we will bring this 5 at downside, then it will become 435, and we know that 87 into 5 will be 435. Then do the subtraction, 435 minus 435, it will be 0. So here we got the remainder as 0. It means our answer is 5.5. Why 5.5? Because in the question the decimal is given before one digit, so here also we will write decimal before one digit. Therefore 0.4785 divided by 0.087 is equals to 5.5. So thank you for watching my this video. If you like my video, then please do like, subscribe and share to my channel. And related to this lesson, again videos are there, and that videos are present in the playlist of my YouTube channel. Thank you so much.